My gents, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this pack up with me video. So basically I'll be showing you what are the things I use for a deeper cleansing of my face after I put a lots of makeup like this. So let's get started with the video. But before we get started, hi, my name is Aditi. I'd like to request you to take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get notified. So without any further ado, 3 2 1, let's go. So basically today is Saturday, so today it's my face mask day even. Yes, I only use face mask at the weekend. It's maybe Saturday or Sunday. Sometimes I even skip it because I don't know, I just don't feel like doing it. So I'll be doing the face mask today also, and I use face scrub like twice or thrice a week. So yeah, so I have just done shooting of this makeup look and I'm pretty sure that that video went live before this. So basically if you're watching this, that video is already live. I don't know how I'm telling, but I feel it's making sense to you, and I will link it up in the I button here or here anywhere, and also the description box. Don't forget to check that out if you haven't checked that out. It's a very simple and basic makeup look, a simple go-to makeup look you can say, with the lavender color and purple color. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the cleansing part. So begin with, I'll put a hairband on my face that my hair doesn't come in between and nothing comes in front when we are doing the cleansing. And beginning with, I'll just remove the hooks. So moving to the second step, I'll be changing into one of the comfortable clothes so that whenever I wash my face, my top doesn't get wet. So hold on a second. Basically, I have changed into my bathroom robe. So let's begin with the cleansing. Moving to the first step, I'll be using the face wash, which is the Himalaya Neem face wash, purifying neem face wash, and I feel it's the most basic face wash and it really helps in preventing pimples. So let's get started. I just took my sweet time and just cleaned out the face wash thoroughly and nicely. So yeah, so moving to the next step, my next step is using a toner. And so first of all, I would like to say that I don't use micellar water and I don't know why I don't use it. It's basically I feel that मुझे भी कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा है micellar water, so I just don't invest in it right now. Maybe I will in my further days, but not at this point of time. That would be Good Vibes Rose Hip Toner. It's the Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner and it's my second bottle itself, and it's a very nice toner. I'll say I'll just take a cotton ball and just spread the toner over it. For the second, now I'll just rub out the excess product if any is left over in the face. This helps in cleaning out the face more nicely and more deeply, I guess. I feel this works for me like a micellar water itself. The difference between that, in the cotton we used to put micellar water and then clean our face, and I put toner. That's the difference, and I feel that they work pretty the same. And of course micellar water is known for cleaning out the makeup, but I use this as my jugaad for now. Telling for now because I'm pretty sure that I'll invest in a micellar water, because otherwise in this process I need to take care a lot of things. Like I need to take care like everything is done, everything is clean. So in micellar water everything just come out by one time, as I have seen such difference. So I just prefer micellar water. It's just that I am not investing in it because I feel अभी देख लेते हैं ना कुछ दिन, फिर देखेंगे. I'm done cleaning with toner. I just threw the cotton now, and moving to the next step, I'll be using the Joves face scrub. It is the D10 face scrub, and I just love it because it has SPF in it and it helps to remove D10 itself. So I'll be just using it. I use the same face scrub like twice or thrice. I keep changing products, which are the products that work for me. I keep changing products so that means I get to know what my skin like and what my skin doesn't like. So it's something my skin loves. So yeah. So I just washed my face and let it dry on its own. So now it's time for using the face mask. The face mask I'll be using is the Good Vibes Rose Hip face mask, and as you can see, it's almost finished because I just love Good Vibes product. I feel they works wonders for me. And for the skincare things, you cannot depend on one because I feel the one that works for the other may not work for you. So I just prefer just trying out things, and I just make sure that I use products safely and not just like she's using it, I'll be also using it, they are using it, I'll be also using it. No, I just don't do this because once you get pimple, it's really tough to get rid of. Means you can get rid of it temporarily, but it really takes time. I'm just telling you that. So my tipney would be, just don't believe what works for me would work for you, or what work for others would work for you. Just be aware and just be kind to your skin. So I'll be just using my brush and just apply it evenly. So once I apply it fully, I won't be talking. So I'm just telling you, after you apply your face mask, you just keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Is the basic rule for every face mask. So as this means every face mask requires 10 to 15 minutes, and if you use sheet mask even, then also you keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and just take it off. Similarly, I'll be doing this time. You can also use your hands for applying face mask, but I think using a brush makes it more even. Just got over, take my towel and just wet it and just swipe it off. So I have just cleaned off my face perfectly and nicely. Make sure you clean each and every corner of your face so that no face mask is just stuck behind it, and make sure you also clean your neck after. So the next step would be like moisturizing your face, because after we apply face mask and wash it off, the face feels dry. Means my face feels dry basically. Sorry. So I'll be using the Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner and just spray it off over my face. After you spray it off over your face, just let it dry for like 1 to 2 minutes. It will dry completely on your face on its own. So yeah, and now it's time to use a moisturizer. I am using the Pond's Super Light moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. I use this moisturizer because it's little lightweight, and since I have an oily skin, I prefer lightweight moisturizer. Applied the moisturizer, and the last step I will be using my Maybelline Baby Lips to moisturize my lip as well. I think this lip balm was quite popular when I was in my class 8 or 9, and now it's not that popular, but I still like it because of its smell and its texture. With this, we have come towards the end of the video. I have also changed up into a comfortable t-shirt. So if you have liked anything about the video, kindly the like button, also the subscribe button, and see you soon, my gems.